4 Canva templates. All 4 are bestsellers on Etsy right now. And every single one of these listings is less than a year old. That means someone added one of these listings to their shop and now they're making over $1,000 a month. So if you haven't started selling digital products on Etsy yet because you think everything good is already taken, this video is going to change your mind. I'm going to show you all 4 products, what makes each one sell, and the one thing most beginners miss. And I've already created every single one of these templates for my students inside the sales sprint. So if you're in there, you already have everything you need. But if you are not a member yet, the templates alone will not make you money. You need to know how to list them, how to get found, how to turn those views into sales. That's what the sales sprint teaches you. If you want more details, the link is in the description. And if you're new here, hey, my name is Lucretia. I'm an ADHD stay-at-home mom. I homeschool my kids, and I've still made over $29,000 selling digital products on Etsy. Now I show new Etsy sellers how I make sales without paying for ads or posting on social media. So let's hop into product number 1, magazine templates. People magazine have been doing special edition covers for decades. A celebrity gets married, turns 40, or has a baby, and suddenly there's a glossy magazine cover with their face on it. People go crazy for them. So this is that, but for regular people. So for the couple next door, for your best friend turning 30, for your cousin who just got her degree. The buyer gets a fully editable Canva template. We're talking 50 to 70 plus pages, depending on which version you make. They swap in their photos, their names, their date, their story. It looks like a real magazine. And people are buying it for every milestone you can think of. Weddings, birthdays, graduations, best friend gifts, baby showers, pregnancy announcements. Every single one of those is a different listing in your shop. Same concept, different occasion, multiple listings. Now here's what the data says. This listing is 5 months old. It has made 222 total sales. Last month alone, it made 84 sales and brought in $2,100. And its growth rate last month was 300%, which means this is still climbing. Now let me show you something most new sellers don't even think to do. Do you see that countdown timer on this listing? Sale ends in 5 hours. That little clock makes the buyer feel like they have to decide right now. It creates urgency. And urgency is one of the fastest ways to turn someone who is just looking into someone who actually buys. I recorded a full breakdown of how to use this strategy to get a sale in the next 24 hours. And you can watch that video right here. Now let's look at the listing photos. The sellers who are winning in this category all do one thing really well. They show a before and after. Plain placeholder images on one side, the exact same image filled in with the real images on the other side. That one image does a lot of the selling because the buyer can see themselves using the product. They don't have to imagine it with placeholders. That has already been done for them. But I want to warn you of one thing to watch out for. Some sellers use trademark names like Vogue as cover title options in their template. You do not want to do that. Instead, use something like Forever, Baby on Board, Girl of the Year. So it's the same vibe without the legal risk. Now here's the move. Pick one occasion to start with. Grab your template, which is in phase 2 of the sales sprint, make your listing photos and list it. Then duplicate it for the next milestone, birthday, graduation, baby shower, best friend gift. Each one is a new door for a new buyer to walk through. And that brings us to product number 2, playing card wall art templates. This one is exactly what it sounds like. You take a standard deck of playing cards, but instead of the card design, each card holds a photo, their first trip together, the proposal, a random Tuesday that somehow turned into their favorite memory. They print it out, they frame it, and they hang it on the wall. It looks like art because it is. So this listing is just 1 month old. It has already made 229 total sales, brought in $8,631 last month, and has over 20,000 views. Etsy even handpicked it as an Etsy's pick in its very first month. Now here's where I want you to look at in the listing photos, because this seller did exactly what every single Canva template seller needs to do. They have a before and after image. Over here, they have the blank template, cartoon clouds, placeholder colors, no photos. But over here, they have the exact same template, just filled in. They have real couple photos, it's framed, and it's sitting on a hardwood floor. That one image is doing more selling than any title or tag ever could. Because here's the thing about digital templates. The buyer can't hold it. They can't touch it. They haven't seen it finished before. So when they land on your listing, their brain is asking, what is this going to look like when I'm done? The before and after photo answers that question before they even ask it. It removes the doubt. It shows them the finish line. And when someone can see exactly what they're getting, they buy. So if you're selling Canva templates and you don't have a before and after image in your listings, that is the first thing to fix. Now, here's something important about this product. It doesn't just have one type of buyer. You've got couples, so anniversary gifts, Valentine's Day, just because. Then you've got best friends. You have family photos, bachelorette parties, parents who want a wall full of their kids' photos, grandparents. Every single one of those is a different person searching with different keywords. Most new sellers try to speak to all of them in one listing. Do not do that. Pick one buyer. Write the title for them. Use photos in your listings that look like them. Then make a second listing for the next type of buyer, and you keep going from there. The more specific you get, the easier it'll be for the right person to find you and buy. Now let's talk about product number 3, newspaper templates. So here's the idea. You take the look of a real newspaper and you make it about someone's big moment. Sarah turns 25 today. Breaking news, Samantha is graduating. Baby Brooks is on the way. The buyer fills in their details and photos and sends it to the guest as an invitation. And just like the magazine template, this is not just one product. It's birthdays, weddings, quinceañeras, graduations, baby announcements, save the dates. Every milestone has a heading, and every heading is a new listing. So the birthday version we're looking at right now is 7 months old. It has made 724 total sales and brought in $2,691 last month alone. It has over 25,000 views and more than 1,000 people have favorited it. Now let's look at this trend graph for a second, because this is something I want every new seller to understand. See how the sales go up and down throughout the month? That is normal. Etsy is not a straight line. Products have waves. They peak, they dip, and they come back. The sellers who panic and give up during the dip won't be around for the next wave. You have to ride it out. But here's how you protect yourself from relying on just one wave. You need 3 types of products in your shop. You need trending products, something that's hot right now, like everything in this video. High demand, moving fast, but it may cool down eventually. Then you need seasonal products, something tied to a specific time of the year. Graduation season, Valentine's Day, Christmas. It spikes when the season hits. And if you want more details about seasonal products, I go in depth in this video right here. And the last type of product you need are evergreen products. Something people search for every single day, all year long, no matter what's happening. Birthdays never go out of season, neither do weddings. That is evergreen. And remember, all 4 of these templates are already waiting for you in phase 2 of the sales sprint. You also get to see exactly how I list these products, so Etsy promotes them for me without ads and without social media. So all of the details are at the link in the description. Now let's talk about how people actually find your listing, because having a great product means nothing if no one can find it. When you do your keyword research in Everbee, you'll see a score next to each keyword. That score is what I call your room to get paid score. The higher it is, the more room you have to actually show up in search results and make sales. You want to see that score in green marked high. Look at the keywords like newspaper photo shoot, newspaper flyer, template newspaper. All of them are scoring high. Those are the keywords that give you the best shot at being found. Most new sellers just guess their keywords or worse, they use ChatGPT. This is data you need to get from sources close to Etsy. All Etsy research tools are estimates. They are not a direct feed from Etsy since Etsy does not share their exact sales data. But Everbee uses its own algorithm, which they say is about 80% accurate. So use it as a guide and not a guarantee. I still believe it's one of the best tools out there for finding gaps in the market that will help you make sales faster as a new seller. All right, so let's move on to product number 4, matchbook wall art templates. Think of it like a scrapbook. Each section of the layout holds something meaningful. A photo from their first date, a film strip of memories, their anniversary date spelled out in tiles, a handwritten note, little objects that tell their story arranged like art. They print it out, they frame it, and they hang it on the wall. It looks like something you'd find in a boutique, not something you made in Canva in an afternoon. So this listing is 2 months old. It has made 732 total sales, brought in $7,337 last month, and has nearly 24,000 views. So this is a product that hit the ground running. Now let's talk about 3 things the seller is doing that you should pay attention to. First, the wording. Right at the top of their listing photo, it says, "This is a premium digital template." So that one word, premium, is doing a lot of work. When a buyer is scrolling through 10 different matchbook templates and they see one that says it's premium, their brain shifts. They assume it's better quality before they even look at it. So you don't have to change your product. You just change the words you use to describe it. Now, second is the sizes. This template comes in 3 sizes. So we have 12 by 18, 16 by 20, and 18 by 24. This matters more than you think. When you only offer one size, you are making the decision for the buyer. When you offer 3 sizes, the buyer feels like they have more control. They're no longer deciding whether they should buy it, they're deciding which size do they want to use. That is a completely different conversation. And then third are the keywords. Look at the tags the seller is using. Matchbook template, custom matchbook art, matchbook poster, anniversary matchbox. Every single one of those is scoring high in Everbee. That means there's room for new sellers to get paid. Compare that to something like memory keepsake. High search volume, but the competition is through the roof. With over 129,000 competing listings, you'd be invisible. The high keyword scores are where new sellers actually have a shot. This product is making sales every single month. That tells you demand isn't just seasonal, it's emotional. And emotional products do not need a holiday to sell. But even if you have the templates, that is not enough. You can have the most beautiful design on all of Etsy and still make 0 sales. And that's because nobody saw it. Etsy has to decide to show your listing to buyers. And the way to do that is to set your listings up correctly from the start. The right title, the right tags, the right photos, the right price. All of it works together to tell Etsy who to put your product in front of. And that is exactly what I show you inside of the sales sprint. Not just what to sell, but how to list it so Etsy does the promoting for you. The link with the details is in the description below. And if you want to see how fast this can actually work, go watch this video right now. I walk you through simple strategies for getting a sale within the next 24 hours.